In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a spreadsheet in Quip. Renaming a file is a small change that can make a big difference in how you stay organized and how quickly your team can find what they need. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few useful tips to keep your workspace tidy and consistent. Start by opening the Quip spreadsheet you want to rename. If you're already in Quip, navigate to your workspace or recent documents and select the spreadsheet from your list. You can also use the search bar to find it quickly by typing part of its current name. Make sure you've opened the spreadsheet itself, not just a document that contains a table, so you're looking at the file whose title you intend to change. Once the spreadsheet is open, you're ready to update its name. Look to the top left corner of the document window and find the current title of the spreadsheet. This is the name that appears prominently at the top, and it's clickable. Click directly on that title. When you do, it will become an editable text field, and you'll see the cursor appear, indicating that you can change it. If the title doesn't become editable right away, give it a firm click and make sure you're not accidentally selecting the Sheet tab inside the spreadsheet. Type the new name you want to use for your spreadsheet. As you choose a name, think about clarity and consistency. Consider adding a date, a project tag, or a version indicator so collaborators can understand the purpose of the file at a glance. Avoid overly long names or characters that could be confusing. The title you enter here will update everywhere this file is referenced in Quip, which helps keep your team on the same page. When you're happy with the new name, press the Enter key to save it. You'll see the title update immediately at the top of the document, confirming the change. Quip will retain your sharing settings and document history, so renaming won't change who has access or break existing collaboration. If others have the file open, they'll see the updated name reflected on their end as well. That's all it takes. Open the spreadsheet, click the title in the top left, type the new name, and press Enter to save. Use clear, consistent naming to make your files easy to find, and you'll keep your Quip workspace running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.